Gadgets Hub, welcome back to the channel where technology meets clarity, and today we are diving into a premium streaming experience that has quietly become one of the most refined entertainment devices in the market, the Apple TV 4K. If you are someone who values smooth performance, cinematic visuals and a clean ecosystem, this device deserves your attention, so sit back and let me walk you through everything you need to know in a detailed and engaging way, starting from design and build quality. The Apple TV 4K keeps things minimal and elegant with a compact matte black box that blends seamlessly into any setup. It does not scream for attention but delivers power where it matters. The edges are smooth, the finish is subtle, and the overall look reflects Apple's philosophy of simplicity with purpose. It feels like a device that is designed to stay relevant for years without looking outdated. The remote, however, is where Apple has made noticeable improvements. The aluminum body feels premium in hand with a balanced weight that gives confidence while using it. The touch-enabled clickpad makes navigation fluid, intuitive and precise, allowing you to scroll through menus and timelines effortlessly, and the added buttons for power and mute bring a level of practicality that was previously missing. The responsiveness of the remote is immediate and satisfying, and the overall control experience feels polished and thoughtfully refined. Unlike many remotes that feel like an afterthought, this one actually enhances your overall experience and makes daily interaction feel smooth, consistent and enjoyable. Moving into performance, this is where the Apple TV 4K truly shines. Powered by the A15 Bionic chip, the same class of processor found in flagship devices, the small box delivers blazing fast speed. Apps open instantly, switching between content is seamless, and even demanding tasks like high-resolution streaming, gaming and multitasking feel effortless. There is no lag, no stutter, just pure smooth interaction, which is something that truly sets it apart from many competitors in real-world usage. This means you can jump from a movie to a game to a music app without any delay, creating a flow that feels natural and uninterrupted. And over time, this level of performance consistency becomes something you rely on without even thinking about it. The device also handles background processes efficiently, so even after extended use it continues to perform at the same level without slowdowns. Now let us talk about what most people care about: the viewing experience. The Apple TV 4K supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+ and Dolby Atmos, which means you are getting incredibly vibrant colors, deep contrast and immersive sound. Whether you are watching movies, shows, documentaries or even YouTube content, everything looks crisp, detailed and lifelike. Blacks or deeper highlights pop more, and overall the image quality feels cinematic, especially when paired with a good television. The device also intelligently adapts to your display settings, ensuring that content is shown in the best possible format without requiring manual adjustments, which makes it user-friendly even for those who are not tech experts. It also supports frame rate matching, which ensures that content plays in its original format, providing a more natural viewing experience without unnecessary motion smoothing. The audio experience also deserves appreciation. With Dolby Atmos support, you get a three-dimensional soundstage that makes you feel like you are inside the scene rather than just watching it. Subtle background sounds become clearer, dialogue feels more focused, and action sequences gain a new level of intensity. And if you are using AirPods, the spatial audio feature adds another layer of immersion, making late-night viewing sessions more personal and engaging by creating a surround sound effect that follows your head movement, giving a theater-like feel in a private environment. One of the strongest aspects of the Apple TV 4K is its software experience. Running on tvOS, it offers a clean user interface that is free from clutter and ads. Unlike many other platforms, the home screen is simple, responsive and focused on content discovery. You are not bombarded with unnecessary recommendations or distractions. Instead, everything feels curated and easy to navigate. The layout is organized in a way that helps you find what you want quickly, and the transitions between menus feel smooth and polished. The App Store is rich with streaming services, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus and Apple TV Plus, along with games, fitness apps and productivity tools. Yes, you heard that right, fitness. Apple Fitness Plus integrates beautifully, allowing you to follow workouts directly on your screen with real-time metrics. If you are using an Apple Watch, this kind of ecosystem integration is something Apple does exceptionally well, and it shows here clearly. The synchronization between devices feels seamless and adds a level of convenience that enhances everyday usage. Speaking of ecosystem, if you already own Apple devices, this is where the Apple TV 4K becomes even more powerful. Features like AirPlay allow you to instantly mirror content from your iPhone, iPad or Mac onto your television. You can share photos, play music, watch videos or even present documents wirelessly, and it just works without complicated setup. The continuity between devices feels natural and effortless, making your entire digital environment feel connected and unified. Siri integration also adds convenience. You can use voice commands to search for content, control playback, check the weather, set reminders or even manage smart home devices. Because yes, the Apple TV 4K also acts as a smart home hub, supporting HomeKit and Matter, which means you can control compatible lights, cameras, thermostats and more directly from your television or using your voice. This turns your living room into a central control point for your home, adding another layer of usefulness to the device and making it more than just a streaming box now. Let us talk about storage and connectivity. The Apple TV 4K comes in different storage options, giving you flexibility depending on your usage. Whether you are someone who streams occasionally or installs multiple apps and games, there is enough room for everyone. It supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring faster and more stable internet connectivity, which is especially important for high-quality streaming where buffering can ruin the experience. Ethernet support is also available in certain models for those who prefer a wired connection for maximum stability. Bluetooth connectivity allows pairing with headphones, controllers, and other accessories, making it versatile for different use cases and ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Gaming on the Apple TV 4K is another area that often goes unnoticed, but it adds significant value. With Apple Arcade, you get access to a wide library of high-quality games, without ads or in-app purchases, and with support for controllers like PlayStation and Xbox. You can enjoy a console-like experience right from your couch. While it may not replace a dedicated gaming console, it certainly provides a convenient and enjoyable option for casual gamers and families looking for shared entertainment beyond just watching content. Another important detail that enhances usability is the seamless syncing of your Apple ID, which keeps your preferences, watch history, and subscriptions consistent across devices. So whether you start watching something on your phone and continue on your television, everything stays in sync without effort. Now let us address something important: the price. The Apple TV 4K is definitely positioned on the premium side compared to other streaming devices, but the value lies in its performance, reliability, and ecosystem integration. You are not just paying for streaming, you are investing in a smooth long-term experience that does not slow down over time or bombard you with ads. It is built to last and continues to receive software updates, ensuring that it stays relevant for years, which is something not all competitors can promise. Another aspect worth mentioning is privacy. Apple has always emphasized user privacy, and the Apple TV 4K follows the same philosophy. Your data is not aggressively tracked, and you have more control over what information is shared, which creates a sense of trust that is becoming increasingly important in today's digital world. Now let me give you a real-world perspective. Imagine coming home after a long day. You turn on your television, pick up the remote, and within seconds you are exactly where you left off. No waiting, no buffering, no confusion, just instant access to your favorite content in the best possible quality. That is the kind of experience the Apple TV 4K consistently delivers. It feels polished, refined, and thoughtfully designed to make your life easier and your entertainment better. It quietly removes friction from your daily routine and replaces it with convenience and reliability, and this consistency is what makes users stick with the device over time. Of course, no device is perfect, and it is important to keep things honest. The Apple TV 4K does not support some niche formats that certain advanced users might look for, and its closed ecosystem might not appeal to those who prefer complete customization or open platforms. But for the majority of users, these are minor trade-offs compared to the overall benefits. The reliability, speed, and seamless integration often outweigh these limitations, especially if you are already part of the Apple ecosystem. In conclusion, the Apple TV 4K is not just another streaming device, it is a premium entertainment hub that combines powerful hardware, elegant software, and deep ecosystem integration into a single compact package. It delivers exceptional performance, stunning visuals, immersive audio, and a user experience that feels smooth and intuitive from start to finish. Whether you are a movie lover, a casual gamer, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who simply wants a better way to enjoy content, this device has something to offer. It may come at a higher price, but the quality and consistency it brings make it a worthwhile investment for those who value a refined and hassle-free experience. If you are looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup, the Apple TV 4K is definitely worth considering. Gadgets Hub, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.